Docker is software that allows programs to operate in containers. A container is an isolated process that runs on top of the operating system without directly affecting the operating system. For more information, see the Docker documentation at https://www.docker.com. In this video, we will see how to install Docker Desktop on a Windows 10 computer. While the installation itself is straightforward, there are a few items to be aware of. Docker itself runs a Linux shell which interacts with Windows 10. According to both Docker and Microsoft, your install of Windows must be up to date. In Windows, click the search box in the bottom left corner and type About. The search results list will appear. Click the About Your PC item or press your Enter key since the item in the list is already selected. The About page will open. Look at the heading Device Specifications and find the System Type line and specifically at the processor type. At the bottom is a heading Windows Specification. We will check two items. If your processor found in the Device Specifications area is an x64, then the version number found in the Windows specification list must be 1903 or higher, and the OS build must be 18362 or higher. If the processor found in the Windows specification is an ARM64 system, then the version number of your Windows install must be 2004 or higher, and the operating system build must be 19041 or higher. If your version or build numbers do not meet these requirements, open Settings from the Windows menu, navigate to Update and Security, and select Check for Updates. Update your machine and restart if necessary. Next, we will update the computer to run WSL2. Windows Subsystem for Linux version 2. This is a newer option than the older Hyper-V technology and is recommended by Microsoft. In the Windows search box, type CMD. When it appears, find and click the option Run as Administrator. If you see a window asking if you want the program to make changes to the computer, answer yes. In the command prompt, type the following: dism.exe /online /enable-feature /featurename : VirtualMachinePlatform, all of that has no spaces, /all /no restart. Then press Enter. A process will download and install. Next, we will need to enable it. In your command prompt, again, type the following: dism.exe /online /enable-feature /featurename : Microsoft-Windows-Subsystem-Linux /all /no restart. Then press Enter. The tool should now show as being enabled. Restart your computer. When the computer has restarted, reopen your command prompt as an administrator. Type the following line: WSL set default version 2, the number 2. Then press Enter. You may see a message that the kernel must be updated. If so, go to https://docs.microsoft.com en-us/windows/WSL/WSL2-kernel and follow the directions to download and install the updated kernel. The installation is straightforward. During the update, you may see a security window asking if you want to allow the installer to make changes. Answer yes. After the installation is finished, return to the command prompt window and press your up arrow key. The last command will reappear. Press Enter. If everything worked, you'll see a message about a website where you can compare differences between WSL 1 and 2. With the system ready, download Docker Desktop. This can be found at the URL shown on your screen. Install Docker. Make sure the Use WSL checkbox is checked during installation, and if given a security screen asking if the installer can make changes, click Yes. When the installation is complete, find and run the Docker Desktop app. A notification should appear indicating that the WSL process is starting and that Docker is running. This process may take up to a minute. The Docker dashboard should start and appear on your screen. If not, go to the System tray, find the Docker whale, right-click and select Dashboard from the options list. You can take or skip the tutorial. It is your choice. In the next video, we will install Mysql Workbench.